This is Helen Keith, the Key Team at Keller Williams Realty Landmark here in Queens, New York City for all your real estate needs. This is Helen Keith, the Key Team at Keller Williams Realty Landmark here in Queens, New York City. I'm going to talk for a minute about planning your housing roadmap for retirement. We can never be totally planned, but I'm going to give you 5 things to really think about. And if you do these things, you'll be well on your way to being in good position as you grow older. And so I'm just going to give you 5 simple things. Number 1 is to really look at where you're living now, your housing arrangements. Consider your maintenance, utilities, insurance, needed upgrades. Okay, be aware of what it's costing you to live where you do. Number 2, think in terms of 5 to 10 year increments. In other words, health, financial, family situations that could cause your situation to change, might warrant you improving your home to be more safe or making moves to really downsize to a smaller, more manageable home or apartment. Number 3, you might want to start exploring different lifestyle options. Think of where friends and family live, places where you have interests that you might want to think about relocating to at some point in the future. Number 4, I think it's important to have what's called a 70-40 conversation. That's when you're in your 70s and your children, your grown children are now in their 40s, or with other family members to really discuss your wishes way before you have a serious disease or health issues, how you would want to be treated, end of life scenarios, caregiving issues, way before there's a crisis scenario. It's important to think about this ahead of time. And lastly, you want to develop your team. What does that mean? Okay, besides your family members, you want to have an elder law attorney. It's good to have a financial consultant, accountant, caregiver consultants, geriatric care managers, certainly your high-ranked realtor as part of your team, and also a licensed contractor or handyman. This team can be well aware of your goals, and at certain points in time, as situations change, their input will be important, and from their perspective, to help you really make informed decisions. So if you think about these 5 things in advance, you can never be perfectly planned, but it's good to start somewhere, and then you can feel confident, and you'll have many questions that'll spur you on to the next step of investigation. You can write and call for my free report, and we'd love to help you. Helen Keith, the Key Team at Keller Williams Realty Landmark.
This is Helen Keith, the Key Team at Keller Williams Realty Landmark, serving Queens, New York City for all your real estate needs. Thank you.